back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you my version of this new normal makeup look that emphasizes our eye area. Syempre, nasa new normal na tayo. Lagi na tayong naka-face mask and ang nakikita na lang sa atin is yung eye area, katulad nito. Yan, di ba? Parang nakikita na lang yung ating eye area. So, plakado yung ating eyebrows. We have an eyeshadow and a very curled lashes. So, ma-emphasize pa rin yung ganda natin kahit mata na lang yung kita, diba? Nag-lip balm para ma-moisturize yung lips natin habang naka-face mask.
Hi guys, so I realized habang nag-edit ako ng video na to, hindi ko alam ba't ako naglagay ng blush. Which is I know na hindi naman talaga makikita kapag naka-mask. But whatever, I think it's cute.
My new normal makeup look. If you guys like this look, hope you guys like this video. Comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you guys on my next one. Stay safe and always be kind. Bye!